everyone, this is Priyanka. In my trials with the YouTube blogging, I'm starting a new channel. And this channel is all about how to organize your home, how to decorate every nook and corner of your house. In short, I would say my passion for this organizing has brought me here. In this first video, I'm going to show you how to organize your kids' wardrobe. This is how my baby's Elmira looked from the outside. What I did here is I kept it very simple actually. I cut this camel on a cardboard sheet and I tucked this over this string and I put this string on the door of this cupboard. Now let's get inside into the cupboard. So this is how my baby's Elmira looked from the outside. It is divided into few sections like the topmost, the middle and the bottom one. Now let's talk about what I kept on this top shelf. In this top shelf, what I am keeping is two big things which are very less used and I don't use them on day-to-day basis, so I kept them on the top. We use only these things when we travel. This is a luggage bag, a small luggage bag, and this is a big diaper bag. Now let's talk about the middle shelf. Basically this shelf is the main important part of the cupboard because most of the important stuff or is day-to-day basis stuff I kept it here only. As you can see, I have divided this hanging rod and I categorize in 5 categories. These 5 categories is like the first one I am keeping all his rompers, jumpsuits, onesies, etc. Then his dungarees and then 2 pieces, his Indian wear and some of his long bungees which we usually carry when we travel. Now you can see I decorated this back portion of the cupboard with the help of this cardboard sheet and I cut this cardboard in a triangular form and I put the initial of his name like V, E, D and U. As you can see, as we call him Vedu at home, so basically it's his nickname and I use a string and I put his name here just to decorate. Now let's talk about this section. Basically as you can see, I kept few baskets and I name tag them like innerwears, rompers and some other random stuff. Let's talk about this basket first. As you can see, this basket is for the random things. These are the things which very frequently use for my baby, so I am stocked them in advance only. As you can see, these are normal Chiku, disinfectant, some multi-purpose things for just to wash his toys and everything. These are his body wash, some baby shampoo, his talcum powders and some massage oil and some other random stuff, and I am keeping them in this basket. Now let's talk about this first basket. As you can see, it's named rompers and bungees. Basically in this basket I am keeping his daily wears. So as you can see, when I wash them and once they get dried, I just get them, I fold them in like this way and I kept it back. So it's easy for me to use it on daily basis. Now let's talk about the third basket. It's his innerwear basket. Same thing I do with his innerwear also. I fold them and I keep them. Now I want to show you an interesting thing. What I did is here at the back, the area is very small. I cannot keep anything because whatever I'll keep will be hide behind these baskets. So I am doing is, this is a glass jar. I kept it open and in this open jar what I did, I kept some baby soaps in this glass jar. So because I personally don't feel to use any kind of disinfectant into the baby's wardrobe because it's quite harmful for a little baby. So this is a baby soap only. It will create a good smell in its cupboard for great fragrance. I am keeping this open only. So at the back I am keeping this jar. Now let's get inside into this thing. Now let's talk about this basket. Basically this is a carton box and I covered it with the help of a fabric and I named it shoe. So I kept his shoes, all his shoes here in this box. And this is basically his hanky basket. Now let's talk about this basket. I named it medical supplies. Here I am keeping all his extra medical supplies like his nappy creams, his thermometer, some random stuff like his nail clipper, his toothbrush, his hairbrush and other nappy creams and all. That is all for his medical supply. I'll talk about this basket. This is for soothers and teethers. I'm not a big fan of teethers and soothers, but I have few, so I'm keeping them in this basket. Now you can see this last basket is for pajamas. I'm keeping all his full pajamas. Like this is his full full pajama. I cannot use these pajamas nowadays because it's quite hot outside. So I'm keeping them at the back. Whenever weather changes, what I do is switch these baskets with each other so that it's quite easy for me to use when weather changes. Same thing with these t-shirts also. These are his full t-shirts. I'm keeping them at the back only. This is all about his middle section. Now let's get into the last section, that is the bottom shelf. This is how his bottom shelf look like. As you can see, I took some carton box and covered them with the help of the same fabric which I used on the middle shelf to cover the shoe box. And these boxes, as you can see, are all DIY. If you want, I just leave a comment down. I'll show you how to make these boxes very easily at home. So let's talk about this first box. As you can see, I have labeled it towels and sheets. I'm keeping all his towels, his dry sheets, some of his burping clothes, some of his changing mats and everything inside into this basket. The same way I have keep this thing for his pillows and some random stuff at the back. Like as you can see, some of his bibs and bottle covers and everything. And this last basket, if I talk about, is for the diapers. As you can see, I named it diaper. What I am doing is I'm keeping all his diapers, like his pant style diapers, his normal diapers. I'm keeping all his diapers here. So let's talk about the last thing. This is a drawer and I named it for the important papers. Whenever I open a drawer, it's the most accessible part of this almirah, and I'm keeping all his important medical history records, his vaccination book, and some of his important medical prescriptions, and some baby diaper liners, and this box I made to carry all his receipts. So I'm keeping his receipts here only. This drawer is just for his medical things. So this is how my baby's almirah look like, and just to make it more functional, I kept so many small things just to make this almirah more workable, more functional for me and especially for my husband. For such more videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Please share, like and comment.